Hello everyone. Now we build the electric socket connector ourselves. Yes, this is the base socket. Yes, this is the rubber and this is the very strong socket. Then now we try to open it. Yes, this is the Sokhana, the name of this book, but we also read and remember this is the upper and this is the head, and Sokhana we read like this. Yes, sometimes we cannot make the difference from this into this in different position. It's not allowed to connect the different position. Then now we take out. Yes, we take out and then we see no problem. This we can put according to we want. We can put like this or like this, but some cannot. Yes. Also like this. This is the pad, and this is the ball, the lamp ball. Yes, it is so big. It has a lot of LED inside, and this is the scissor. It is so big. Đã đấy hồn. Của iPhone không thể tí ở chỉ về thì không mong ở chỉ về thì là được này thôi. Cái khác về lên internet là cái khác ở trong tên này để xem ra iPhone ở đó chỉ về thì. Yeah, we make like this, and then we cut. Yes, this. And then we try to open. Yes, this is the copper. It is a big copper, so it is a strong connector. It make very well. It's working very well with the electricity. Yes. After that we put it into this hole. Yes. Can we do like this? Yes, we can. When we pull out, it has a knob to protect. Then we load the screw. Okay. Yeah. Then we try to tie all the screw to make it properly connect. Yes, it is working. From this point to this point, it is working. Yes. After that, we insert the cable to the wall like this, and then we tie the screw. Yes, and the other side the same work. Yes. We can make it by ourselves. It is stronger than we buy from the customer. We buy from the shop. Wow, why it is so hard? It has a very big knock. Yes. No problem. When we screw it, it will work. Yeah, like this. And then we screw it. This is the screw. And just yes. All the screw we need to screw in the different position, like from this to this, from this to this. On everything that screw. Yeah. Okay, it looks pretty and strong. And this is the other side. Yes. This side we need to open a little. Yes. And then this is the connector. We can call check or block. Yes. Then we put it. This. Then we open the plastic. Yes. Yes. This. Is it fit enough? Yes, it is fit enough. Perfect fit. Yeah, now we screw out, or we lose the screw. Yeah, like this. And then we put the copper. This is the copper inside. Not good. Yes, like this. And then we continue to open more. We can change the way, but we not change the goal. this. This. Then I try like this and like this. Very good. Chùm thính. Sao miếng thính đâu ta lơ này anh? Microwave anh đang nấu kroi microwave, mau kroi microwave. Nãy vô được chết đấy. Thế đi mình nãy vô thì mấy sáu bát vậy. Chị khách tôm khác chứ này. Yeah, like this. Yes. It is so strong. This is the ranger, yes. Yeah, very good. This, and then we tie the screw. Yes, very good. And this is the other side. You need to tie the same. Can we do like this? Yeah, rather strong. Very best. So best. Thank you, Mike, for watching. Yes.